Hello class 10th. Today I am going to start this chapter, the sense organs. First sense organ in your syllabus, that is the eyes. In this eye, next topic is accommodation. Accommodation means viewing object in sharp focus. Viewing object in sharp focus, that is called accommodation. To see an object clearly, its image should be in sharp focus in each eye. The process of focusing the eye to see object at different distances is called accommodation. Okay. This is mainly brought about by the changes in the curvature of the elastic lens, making it thinner or flatter for distance vision. ठीक है, accommodation भी two types का होगा, for distant vision. In this, the lens is more flattened and thinner. Okay, for distant vision, lens is more flattened and thinner. Lens more flattened or thinner. Okay. For near vision, the lens nearer than 6 meter. कितना near? Nearer than 6 meters. Okay, nearer than 6 meters, and the lens becomes more convex and rounded. Rounded here, and these changes in the shape of the lens is brought about by the ciliary muscle. See what happened for the distant vision or for the near vision. Near vision में जो lens का shape होता है, that is wider. ठीक है, ये लेंस का शेप है for the near vision. This is for the near object, and this one for the distant object. ठीक है. Accommodation, अगर आपको दूर की चीज़ देखनी है तो आपका जो लेंस है, ठीक है, for the वो क्या हो जाएगा, it made thinner and और जब आपको नियर ऑब्जेक्ट देना है तो इट मेड कॉन्वेक्स एंड राउंडेड. अंडरस्टैंड इट. चेंजेस द शेप ऑफ द लेंस. सी, दिस इज फॉर द डिस्टेंट विजन. दिस इज द शेप ऑफ द लेंस. दिस इज शेप ऑफ द लेंस फॉर नियर विजन और फॉर डिस्टेंट विजन. ओके, यहाँ पे क्या है, ज़्यादा बड़ा है, यहाँ पे थिनर है for the distant one. Okay. In the normal condition, ciliary muscle relax, the lens remain stretched by the suspensory ligament, and the lens is less convex, suited for viewing distant object. When we look nearby object, the ciliary muscles, which are circular, contract and tend to pull the ciliary muscles slightly forward. This releases the tension in the suspensory ligament, making it loose, and the lens on account of this elasticity becomes thicker and more rounded and convex. Now next one, that is adaptation, dark and light adaptation. जब सिनेमा हॉल के अंदर जाते हैं, वहाँ पे बिल्कुल अंधेरा होता है. What happened there? हाँ, दिखाई देता है, कुछ भी नहीं दिखाई देता है ना. That is adaptation of your eye according to the vision. When you pass from the brightly lighted area, suppose first one is light and dark adaptation. Okay. When you pass from the brightly lighted area to dark room, such as cinema hall, you experience difficulty in seeing object for a short while. Slowly your vision is improved. This improvement is called dark adaptation. सिनेमा हॉल से बाहर आए, रोशनी में, तो दैट इज डार्क एडेप्टेशन. रीजनरेशन ऑफ द, दिस इज ड्यू टू, ये क्यों होता है, दिस इज ड्यू टू द रीजनरेशन ऑफ द रोडोप्सिन pigment. You know it is present in the rod. That is regeneration of the rhodopsin, or also called the visual purple. Rhodopsin is also called the visual purple. Okay. And second one, dilation of the pupil. Dilation of the pupil. Dilation of the pupil, permitting more light to the enter in the eye. And when a person with dark adapted eyes move to a brightly lighted area, as in coming out of the cinema hall after the noon show, he experience a dazzling effect for a short period. After a few seconds, he becomes back to the normal beam through the light adaptation. This is called light adaptation. What is light adaptation? When a person with dark adapted eyes move to a brightly lighted area and in coming out of a cinema hall after the noon show, he experiences a dazzling effect for a short period. After a few seconds, he come back to normal beam through light adaptation. The adaptation is due to the reverse of the changes. The visual purpose of the rod is bleached, reducing their sensitivity, and the pupil constrict get narrower to reduce the amount of the light and train the eyes. A partial closure of the eyelid in dazzling light also serve the same purpose. Okay.